Vlogmas day number 4. It is Saturday. I could do a little bit more vlogging today. And I do plan to. Had a nice little breakfast. Got my coffee, my little Mardi Gras mug that a wonderful friend sent me. I'll put a link to her channel up in the iCard there. But yeah. So since the trees are naked, like I mentioned in the last vlog, I'm going to be doing some Christmas decorating on the trees. Throw some ornaments on them, you know. I do have 2 trees up. One is normally in my other like sitting room area, but now it's like a makeshift desk right now. And it's not, no, there's no room for it. So it's in my kitchen right now. The other big tree is in the normal spot in the corner of our living room here. So I'm going to decorate those. Probably put more, as we call them around in our area, more tchotchkes out. Trying to think what else I need to do. I don't know if there's a couple wreaths I want to put out. I'm not sure we're going to get to decorating the outside this year. It's just tight because Dave's at work right now. 'Tis the season. And we're going to be going on a cruise in almost a week. So it's time's of the essence, I guess, and there's no time. But whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, actually, I did do some decorating. Watching Hallmark Channel and had some Santas in little snowmobile chalet, as they call it. I'll try to zoom in. Because you know us and snowmobiling. And even decorated Tucky. Yeah. And I'm not sure how much you've been following the channel, but we did have, for the new people, we did have a dog for 15 and a half years. His name was Tucker, and just recently put him down. Actually, it was 2 months today that we put him down. Yeah, it's tough. I knew the holidays were going to be tough, but I had a few moments. I had one last night, and just... Anyway, before I start getting... Anyway, but that Santa hat has been his hat. I usually make him, I dress him up for Christmas in a Santa hat. He worked well for food, I'll tell you that. He was a good picture taker when there was food around. But that was our tradition. Every Christmas I would put the Santa hat on him and take his picture by the tree. Or somewhere in the house, but mainly by the tree. So, you know what? That's his hat. He's wearing it this year. But on that note, I am going to drink more coffee here, get more energy to get more decorations out, and you can help me decorate. Oh, and the cookies from yesterday. Yeah, there's a lot of cookies in there. So, in between having some for ourselves, having some for my parents, the rest, I told the girls at work, where I work, they're getting some cookies on Monday. And they weren't sad about that, put it that way. But yeah, it's always a good time with the cookie swap, and you always get to try different cookies, and it's just a nice little get together. So, on that note, I might have a couple cookies with my coffee. Alright, one thing I wanted to do before I get involved with decorating, Christmas cards. So I'm at the local post office, mailing out a few cards, and hey, maybe you got one. Alright, I'm back. I was doing other things around the house, but now I am ready to decorate the snaky tree. So, come on, let's put some decorations on, shall we? God. being in this light, my hair looks like blonde, orange, red, purple. It's funky in this light, but anyway, I was looking at that. It's like, oh, that's kind of weird. But I figured I'd take a smidge of a break and have a cocktail. And you know us, we like craft beer. So today, since 'tis the season, it's from Ithaca Beer Company. It's out of Ithaca, New York, but it's called Fugly Sweater. Yes, Fugly Sweater. I've had this before. Actually, we got this last week. It's a dark lager brewed with ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So it's a nice spicy. It's not super spicy, but it has that little spice bite to it. So I'm gonna have this and finish decorating. In a red Frotiki bar glass. A little bit too much. And that's how you pour a beer, guys. Cheers. Hit the spot. And of course, going through all the ornaments, I come across this. Well, I'm definitely putting it up. And besides the picture with the Santa hat, and that, I put a stocking up too. He's here in spirit. But, miss that thing, boy. I mean, for crying out loud, him for 15 and a half years, and he loved Christmas. Oh my God. You would, funny story. And you probably maybe seen pictures or video of it. But, every Christmas, of course, he always get a present. He get a stocking stuffer and an actual Christmas present. He knew the word present. He would say present, and of course the time of year I have the tree up and all that. You see that word, he would immediately go to the Christmas tree and look. Even though there's nothing there yet. But he would always look, and it's like, but that's the thing. Think of the good memories. And stop it. But yeah, so definitely hanging this up. And think of her boy. Okay, enough happiness. I'm gonna finish decorating the tree.
Many hours later.
Alright, guys. Got lazy after decorating the tree. Just Dave and I crashed on the couch, and this is where we left off. But watching Favor's Vlogmas of her on the adventure of the seas. But want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today, decorating the tree. Probably do a little bit of that tomorrow still. We'll see what happens. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.